I'm Katie Beecher, and I'm a medical intuitive. I'd like to talk a little bit about my book, Heal from Within, a guidebook to intuitive wellness. It's a pretty revolutionary approach to healing that I've used for a long time. It's very unique. I teach you how to connect to intuition, teach you how to identify all of the issues and strengths and all sorts of things that are in your life that you'd like to either expand upon or change. And then I take you through each of the chakras, which are energy centers in the body, connected to body parts, in detail, giving you specific individualized tools about how to address your issues, grow, permanently heal, continue with wellness, and live your best life possible. People have said that if you enjoyed Anatomy of the Spirit by Kerr, that you will love Heal from Within.